unboxing the Toloco Massage Gun. It is a new massage gun. So what we're gonna do is just check which attachments it comes with and then talk a little bit about the specs. So let's open the box. And I love that it comes with a little case, really easy to carry around, also easy to keep in your house with everything together, because sometimes what happens when you get a massage gun, it doesn't come with a case, is that you're going to lose some of the pieces. Now you have nothing else in the box because everything is going to be in that case. I can tell you already that it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 attachments. It's a little more than our usual massage gun, and some are pretty interesting. I'm really curious about that because it's a little more than the typical massage gun. You have the thanks for choosing us, which is also the start guide. It's a little envelope. I like that it's black and really well done. And then you have the user guide. Then this is how the box looks like. So as you can see, there is some of the attachments that are in the case. They have their own place. You can actually put your favorite ones in here. There's like some, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different places to put the different attachments, but then you have 4 more. And you have the charger right there. Now let's look at the massage gun. But let's do the reveal. 1, 2, 3. It looks really nice. I like that it's matte. Let's just put the classic attachment and let's see if there is a power. Just like a lot of massage guns, you have to first switch it on the bottom. So let's switch it on, and then as you can see, there is the different numbers that tell you which levels you are on. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20 different levels. And so it's going to be the speed, the different speed. So there is 20 different speed, and it goes faster as you go higher. I like when it goes, when you do it not too fast, because then I feel like it's a more relaxing massage. But then depending where you massage, maybe it's your thigh, maybe depending why you massage, is it like a knot or is it sore muscles? You might want to do it faster or slower depending on what you prefer, but also on what you need it for. Now let's look a little bit at the different attachments. So the classic one is the round head, and it's suitable for thighs, calves, and back. You have the fork head, it's suitable for neck, spine, and Achilles tendon. You have the flat head, which is suitable for all body parts. Then you have the bullet head, it is right here. It's suitable for local pain points. That's when you want to be really precise. You have the shovel head, which is right here, and this one is great for abdominal muscles and low back. You have the Y-shaped head. This is something that I had never seen before. And this one is great for arm and leg muscle. And you have the convex head. You see it's convex as its name says. And this one is great for quads and glutes. Then you have the elbow head, which is also something that I had never seen before. And suitable for palm sole massage. You have the wedge head, which is also, again, the wedge head is this one, which I also had not seen before. As you can see, there are some little dents, and the wedge head is suitable for larger muscles around the legs, the chest, and the back. And then to finish, you have the crescent head, which is suitable for shoulders and leg. Let me show you. So it's the contrary, is the opposite of the convex head. So you see 10 different attachments. This is the one big difference with the Toloco Massage Gun. You are going to get so much more choice when it comes to different massages.